Hey everyone. Whether you are in Mrs. Byerly's class or you're in Miss Miller's class, we want to talk about something that we are going to be having you guys do as an assignment on the last week of school. And what better way to give it to you now and just so that you can start thinking about this as the weeks go on. But we want you to, because this is technically your first ever online class from start to finish. And so what we kind of want you to do is we want you to track your weeks and we want you to create for our class for health, we want you to create a Google site. Okay. Now, some of you probably already have this because maybe your teachers have set kind of like your portfolio, your online portfolio up already. So what you're going to do and where you're going to go is you're going to go to your drive, go to your waffle, pull down, and you are going to pull down to where it says sites right here. Okay. When you do that, this screen is going to come up. All right. You can do my sites in stjoebears.com, but I think you have to do, you'll have to play with this, okay? But I'm pretty sure you have to just go new Google Sites, okay? If you go to new Google Sites, regardless, you can still see, like right here, I have a portfolio, like I've already created one. So what you're going to do from here, where's it at? Let me think about this for a second. Hold on. I thought, oh, no wonder why I couldn't see it. My face is covering it. Okay, bottom right hand corner, there's a plus. You hit the plus and it's going to give you a new site. Um, if you already have one that's already built, so like maybe you already have math in there, you can do it under there and that's totally fine. Or you can just literally make one from start just by hitting that plus in the bottom right hand corner. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to retitle this. I want you to retitle this and I want you to just say health class or health is fine. Okay. You can center this as well. The center is right here, I think. You can change the background color of this as well. You could change it into an image if you wanted to. Maybe you go on Google and you find a picture there under Google Images that it's kind of like health kind of related. You could do that as well, okay? From here, what we were liking you to do, and I'm going to try to get my face over here. If you look over to the right over here, there is a ton of layouts, things like that. Um, I want you to do this. You could do it just the one. You could do and go week by week, or you could do like you're just sliding, you're clicking and you're dragging, I should say. So right now I have one side by side. If I didn't like that, I could just literally hit the trash can, um, and delete it. I could just keep it like right here. I'm literally, this is totally up to you and what your preference looks like. Um, I am just going to say, let's just scrap. We'll go week by week. I'll just scrap this one. Okay, so let's just say what you're going to be doing is like, I would title this week one, okay? And you can even put the date in there if you want to, and I can't remember. I think it was like the week 20. Wasn't it April 20th? April 20th through the 20s. I'm doing this by memory. By the 26th, I think. And then what I want you to do is I want you to explain what we did that week. Okay, just kind of brief. I know some of it was an Everfi one, and then it was our nutrition one, and I think that there was a document, if I can remember right. Maybe you're talking about this week, and so you could literally go here, go to the plus, and then you can upload what it is that you want. So if it was a document, so I'm going to go to my drive really quick, and let's go under, I have a lot of documents. A lot of, I think we were in nutrition. Let's just say, I know this was the fast food one, but let's just say I want that one. And if you just click on it, it will insert for you. So make sure you're uploading the work that you submit to either myself or Miss Smothers. You are submitting it right here. Some of you did the video for your recipes. Like you can upload that video as well right here as well if it's saved on your Google Drive. So that's what we're wanting you to do. So upload whatever document it is. If you did the let's just say if you did the Everfi one, maybe find a picture of the Everfi um like logo or just put Everfi in there under Google Images, and maybe you just upload that picture right there, and then explain like I did the Healthier Me course and learned about blah blah blah. Like you're literally writing a description of what you learned and what you did. Okay, so this is going to be something that we're going to give to you the last week of school as a uh, as an assignment. So it would be much easier for yourself if you wanted to start this now versus having to go back and remember everything. So you could do this like as the weeks go on and just keep adding to it. All right. You can also change the background color, just an FYI. So I know there's better ways to do this. I just can't remember how to do it. I have to play with this. I can't remember how to do this off the top of my head. Oh, there we go. And I think there's other colors that you can choose as well. So if you wanted to make it more interesting, play with that and just start getting these all of your weeks set in here. Of course, there's 7 weeks total from the week of the first week. Okay. All right. So that's all I wanted to say for now. But so if you want to get a jump start, this is what you need to do.